How we doing today, host?
Good.
Today we're going to do a quick, rapid question, fire and answer.
Okay.
To learn all about you.
All right.
If you can't answer a question, you can pass.
I can pass. Okay.
But you only get 3 passes.
I get 3 passes if I want. Okay. And these are rapid fire questions.
Right.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready.
How old or how young are you, Mr. Hoss?
I am 56 years old. I'll be 57 in May.
How many years you been married to Mrs. Hoss?
80. We got married in 84. So that's 38 years.
Good job. How many animals you have?
I've got Maggie here. Hey Maggie. I got a horse, draft horse named Belle. I got a donkey named Ringo, and I got 4 chickens. So 4 and 3 is 7.
And what about the fish and the worms?
Those are yours. Those are not mine.
How many acres is your farm?
Here is 10 acres here, and we garden on about 2 here, and then we got 30 acres down the road. Just probably got 10 acres of pasture. We probably 12 to 13 altogether.
How many grandkids you have?
5.
What's your favorite vegetable to grow?
Favorite vegetable? Can I lump fruits into that? Fruits? Making it too complicated, ain't it? Yeah. Okay. Probably watermelons. Watermelons. I love grow corn, tomatoes, and watermelons is there at top. That's tough. Watermelons.
Best advice for new gardeners?
Best advice for new gardeners is to start small and don't overthink it.
How'd you get your nickname, Hoss?
So years ago, we was building one of the barns out here, and we had a construction crew out here, and a lot of young guys was on the crew, and we was using beams, picking up beams, and had to tote them around. They were complaining, so I just was showing out a little bit. So I threw one on my shoulder and carried it over there for them, and they called me Hoss, and I was showing out, but I don't do that anymore. I quit showing out.
Kind of stuck with you?
Yeah, kind of stuck, but I was trying to teach the young boys how to be a little tougher than what they were, instead of complaining so much, you know.
What animal are you most scared of?
Oh, that's easy. Snakes.
You're a snake phobia?
I'm not scared of anything besides snakes, but I'm horrified of it.
What makes you laugh?
Oh, I probably get more tickled at myself than anybody else, because a fellow told me a long time ago, and this is pretty profound. He says, if you can't laugh at yourself, you shouldn't be able to laugh at anyone else. And I took that to heart, and sometimes I just get plumb tickled at myself. The mistakes I make or my shortcomings, sometimes you just have to sit back and laugh at them and move on. So I can get tickled at myself.
When you were a kid, what did you always think about being when you grew up?
Oh, I don't remember anything in particular. However, I do remember gardening on my own since I was 12 or 13 years old. This is a memory. I don't know why I got this, but my mother bought me a push plow for my birthday when I was about 15, 16 years old. So I've been gardening for a long time.
What was your favorite family vacation?
Favorite family vacation? 2 comes to mind. We went to Disney World one time, and then we went to the mountains camping a few times. Probably, I'm gonna go with the Disney one. When the kids were small, we went to Disney for a week and stayed at the Wilderness Campground in one of the cabins. I'd probably say that.
What is your biggest pet peeve? What makes Hoss angry?
Angry? Oh, probably a better word there is upset. I get upset with people when they don't use their full potential. When somebody has a gift and they don't use it, that really irritates me. Laziness also irritates me.
If you could be any person in the world, do anything you want to do, what would you be doing?
Oh, I I'm right where I want to be. I enjoy what we do. Yeah. Helping people grow their own food. I've done a lot of things in my life, but this is, I enjoy this the most, hands down.
How many businesses have you had in your life?
A few, probably about 4.
What's the last book you read?
The last book I read was a marketing book. Story Brand was the last book I read. The Story Brand. I forget the author's name, but it's very good. But I actually bought several copies and handed around to people in the office. I'm not sure they read them, but I handed them out to them. It was a very good book to me.
What motivates you to work so hard?
What motivates me to work so hard? I don't know. I just to be able to be part of the community that we are part of. That people are just like us and help them be successful. I guess it's part of it. That's not a loaded question. I might should have passed on that one. I'm not using pass on it, but just being a part of the people that is a part of the community we're in, I guess motivates me. I'm not motivated by money.
If somebody asked your friends to describe you in 3 words, what would they say?
In 3 words, mischievous would probably be one of them. Mischievous, fun. I think I'm pretty. I think I am. Fun, mischievous, fun, and mischievous.
You want me to help you out?
Yeah.
Gossip.
No.
Yes.
No.
Or maybe pot stirrer.
Pot stirrer. Now I really like to aggravate people.
Yeah.
I'd say mischievous, fun, and entertaining. How about that?
Entertaining.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Okay. What's your homestead goals for the next 5 years?
Homestead goals for the next 5 years would be to depend less on the grocery store and to eat more of what we produce.
What about animals? You want to get an animal?
I've always wanted a milk cow. Now, we've had milk goats for several years, but I've always wanted a milk cow. So,
if you were a superhero, what superhero power would you like to have?
Oh man, that's a tough one there. I'm gonna have to take a pass on that one.
Oh, come on.
No, I never give that any thought. There's no way I can answer that.
What's your favorite thing about your current career, your job path?
Helping people, yeah. Enjoy inspiring people, helping people. Enjoy helping people.
How many pairs of shoes do you own?
Oh, I've probably got 20, and 19 of them sit in my closet all the time. I wear one pair of boots all the time, and I got 19 other pair in there that I wear occasionally. I got my go to church shoes in there that I wear to church. But
how many pair of overalls?
At the moment, I probably got 5, 6 different pair of overalls.
You like your
I
overalls?
like my overalls. Overalls work good for fat boys.
Favorite subject in school?
Well, I was not the best student. So in high school, my favorite was ag by far. I took horticulture, which I loved horticulture. I learned a lot there. I was able to go back to college, or able to go to college after we got settled down a little bit after we married, and I enjoyed accounting. I took accounting and really enjoyed that, which really shocked me as well. So accounting in college, and then high school horticulture.
What's your proudest accomplishment?
Whew. Pass.
Favorite childhood memory?
Favorite childhood memory would, and that's a tough one too. Whew. I really never thought about that. I guess it would have to be spending some time at my grandparents. And I didn't spend a lot of time at my grandparents, but the time I did really kind of stands out.
think that's about it. Is there anything else we hadn't covered you think somebody might like to know about you?
That's pretty much it. I think I'm a pretty boring individual. There's not a lot left. It's just, and we pretty much stay to ourselves here on the here at the shop. Our house is next door, so we don't never go anywhere. I mean, these weeks we don't go to town, or I don't, and got our animals, and we can walk up here to work, and that's pretty much us. It's really, I mean, it's an enjoyable lifestyle, but it's not very exciting sometimes.
All right. Well, thank you, Mr. Hall.
All right, thank y'all. Nice. If you want to learn more about vegetable gardening and growing your own food, check this out.